All right, thank you very much. A happy
Okay.
birthday. So let's start. Do you often get up early in the morning?
Yeah.
Do you often, present simple tense,
Okay.
often means frequency. So for often you can use regularly or something like that.
Okay.
Do you often get up early in the morning?
Yes, I often get up early in the morning, and I start my morning with morning pray, and I go for walk and take some tea. Then I go for home
Okay, so just
college.
focus like, do you often get up early in the morning? Yes, I always. Instead of often, you're using I always. I regularly get up early in the morning, right? Something
Okay.
like that. Okay, let's go on. What do you usually do when you get up early?
I When I get up early in the morning, I go for I play with cricket with my friends. Then I come back to home and go for watching movies and
Early in
try.
the morning, you're watching movies. Lahal wala kuat, huh? You don't have anything good to do?
We come back after 5 p.m.
What
That's
do you
why.
mean by we come back after movies? You go alone and you come back with
Any friend
somebody?
with friend.
Friend?
Yeah, yeah.
One friend?
No, no, lots of friends.
Lots of friends. Okay, you are very social. Right? You got so many friends. So listen, what do you usually do when you get up early? Just talk about a couple of things. First of all, when I get up early, I offer my prayers. That is very, very important for me. Secondly, morning time is the time when I feel fresh and active, so I prefer going out to play football with my friends. We have a team, and early morning we play football. Otherwise, I prefer studying because in the morning my mind is fresh and I can learn my lessons better. So these are the things I always do whenever I get up early in the morning. Something like this, okay? Now let's go on. Do you get up early on weekends?
Yes, I get up early in the morning. Get up early in the morning on weekends because I play for cricket with my friends.
I play cricket with my friends
That on that day I get up early in the morning on 5 o'clock.
at 5 o'clock.
At 5 o'clock, then we take breakfast and then go for cricket.
All right. Thank God you didn't say bath. So let's go on because you said we. So, which morning do you like the best in a week?
Sir, can you repeat your question?
Which morning do you like the best in a week? I love Saturday morning. I love Sunday morning. I hate Monday morning, like that. So,
Okay.
which morning do you like the best in a week?
I think Sunday morning is the best because that is the day. It's the day when I free and I enjoy different kinds of game and I play with my friends and then I go outside and enjoy with
Okay,
each
so
other.
therefore, my favorite morning is again come back to the question. Whatever you say, as I said, go, come back. Then make a sentence, again come back to the main topic. And at the end, one sentence conclusion is very important, right?
Okay.
Speak actively, happily, energetically,
Okay.
okay? Answer every question, at least 5, 6 sentences should be spoken, right?
Okay.
Thank you.